Today I will show you 5 extremely useful tips plus bonus tips for your MacBook that could end up saving you a lot of your time and help navigate things easily in your daily workflow. So I have pulled up an online key that mirrors my keyboard so you can see what I'm clicking. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. Tip number 1. You probably know the basic stuffs. Command plus C is to copy, Command plus V is to paste, Command plus X is cut. But if you wanted to cut and paste a file or a folder, the Command X and Command V doesn't work. In order to do that, you need to first copy the files and folders using Command C, go to your destination folder and use Option Command V to move it to your destination. If you wanted to undo something, you just do Command plus Z. Use Command plus A to select all. Tip number 2. You can take a screenshot of your entire screen just by clicking Command, Shift and 3 together. Or you could use Command, Shift and 4 to give you the ability to select screenshot for part of your screen. So all screenshots are saved to your desktop by default. So going one step further, you could use a Command, Shift 5 to open a window with all options to select, which also includes screen recording. Tip number 3. If you want to minimize a window, just click on Command plus M. But what if you just want to hide a window instead of minimizing it? Then you use Command plus H. Now if you want to bring back the hidden window, just click on Command plus Tab to browse through all your open windows, including the hidden one. You could also use Shift Command Tab to reverse the browsing order. If you want to quickly close a window, just click on Command plus Q. Further along, to forcefully quit unresponsive applications, you can launch the Force Quit application by using Command, Option and Escape button. Very handy tool. Tip number 4. If you have been having trouble navigating through your Finder window, which by the way is way simpler in a Windows laptop, fear not. I'll show you some neat tricks that can make your life a little easier than before. So one of the frustrating points while using a Finder is you may not always remember what folder you are currently in. And if you want to see that exact path, just go to View, Show Path and voila, there you go. Additionally, in order to create a new folder, just click Command plus Shift plus N. Then Command plus Up arrow to go one folder up and Command plus Down arrow to go one folder in. Command plus Delete to delete a folder. Tip number 5. Command plus Spacebar to open Spotlight search bar and you can look for any apps or files. It can be used for adding numbers or even currency conversion. Once you have a file that you are looking for, hit Command plus R to open that file location. If you want to change the default app that opens a file, just select that file, click on Command plus I, modify Open With to change the default app, and then press Change All. And now all similar file types will automatically open with the configured app. Quickest way to open or play a file, just select and hit spacebar. While typing something, hit spacebar twice in quick succession and it will automatically add a full stop and a space. And I'll round this one off with some bonus tips. One of the commonly used factors to reduce image size. And if you want to do that, just open it, select the markup option, resize option, and then change the width and the height. That reduces the image size. Select multiple files together and right click Quick Actions to create a PDF in order to create a PDF. And you can even reorder the photos within the PDF. So that's it, folks. Use this and start having fun with your MacBook. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this useful. Until we meet the next time, goodbye.